Hi there, Kim from Expression Artworks. So I got this cute little unfinished wood birdhouse from Hobby Lobby. I'm using Folk Art Dutch Aqua, and I'm going to be transforming this birdhouse into hopefully something cute and that you'll enjoy watching today. So I decided for the majority of the birdhouse that I wanted to use this pretty aqua color. Again, like I said, it's called Dutch Aqua by Folk Art. It's an acrylic paint. So I use this for the front, sides, and back of the birdhouse. And I'm going to be using some pretty print paper that I had previous, and I went ahead and I cut 2 squares out for the rooftop, so I'll be doing some Mod Podging. And then for like the trim of the roof, the little pedestal that comes out, and the base of the birdhouse, I'm using a cream antique wax that I have. That's going to kind of act as like a stain, and it's going to add a nice contrast with the blue. I didn't film this on video, but after I dried up that first coat of paint, I did wind up going back in and putting a second coat of the blue onto the birdhouse. So as I said before, I had previously cut out 2 squares of a printed paper that I had, and I thought this would be really nice to add to the rooftop instead of painting it or staining it. So here I'm just adhering the paper, making sure I put a nice coat of Mod Podge on the wood surface to adhere it, and then adding my print. I had a lot of fun and I enjoyed making this birdhouse, so I hope you'll enjoy watching the rest of the video. So how cute did this little birdhouse come? Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.